Here we have an 18-inch vertical band saw. Just going to fire it up to show you that it does operate. Hit this switch right here. The variable speed belt drive. Turn the handle here. It says slow and fast. That's on the high speed right now. Comes with a blade welder. Okay, the welder's lamp has a little bit of damage there. Grinder works, and we did check the welder does operate. A few adjustments that need to be done on it. This blade cutter right here is bent. The handle for the speed control is bent. I have to put this back on here. This is a one of the 3/4 inch nut ring came off. The cable broke off, so you're going to need a new trunnion piece for here, as you can see. Some bent sheet metal right here for the blade guard. Alright, we had to put hitch pins in here to hold this front cover back on. The plastic handle broke off. Other than that, it's in pretty good condition. It's got a few paint scratches. So for a few little cosmetic and repairs, and get this machine going again.